typically need to combine information from two different data sources in the same table or chart. To do this, you need to specify how the two data sources are connected and what the logical relationship is. In Sisense, you can easily connect data sources by columns that represent the same information in both tables. For example, in e-commerce, if I open up the commerce table, we see the columns brand ID, category ID, and country ID. Right now, these are just numbers without any context. To get context, we need to connect this table to another table where the information is located. Here I have three separate tables: brand, category, and country. In the brand table, I have the brand name and brand ID. So what I can do is create a relation between my commerce table and my brand table. Once they're connected, I'll be able to see how much revenue I've generated for each brand. To do this, I simply drag the brand node on top of the commerce node, or I can click the relationship button and join the tables here. To create a relation, I select the columns I want: brand ID in the brand table and brand ID in the commerce table. As you select a column, the system grays out the columns in the other tables with which the relationship cannot be made. The reason for this is that field types are different. You can only connect fields that are the same type: text fields with text fields, date field with date fields, integer with integer fields, and so on. As my fields are the same type, I can now click Done. I can also create multiple relationships. So again, I can join the commerce table to the category table and to the country table. Also in Sisense, you can easily manage your relationships. For example, if you need to delete a relationship, you can scroll over the relationship and cut it. After you finish creating your relationships, you'll have to build the elastic queue for the changes to take effect. The type of relationship here are called inner joins. If you're a little bit more technical, you can create a different type of join. For example, if you want the relationship to be everything in the commerce table, but only the matching fields from the brand table, you'll need to do something we call a right join. You can do this using custom SQL. For more information on joining data, see our online documentation.